Libra, you have been waiting for the right moment to make your move. This Monday is it. Welcome to Astro Healing. Monday, June 15th, 2026. New here? This channel posts daily horoscope readings for all 12 zodiac signs every single day. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell so your reading is always waiting for you every morning. Here is your Libra forecast for today. Venus, your ruling planet, meets Monday's lunar energy in a way that creates an unusually decisive and forward-moving frequency for a sign that is famous for taking its time with decisions. Today, Libra, the scales tip. Whatever has been perfectly balanced in your life, whatever has been hovering in that uncomfortable space of not yet decided, receives a clear and unmistakable signal today about which way it needs to go. Trust that signal completely. Your hesitation has served its purpose. The information is in. The answer has been inside you longer than you realize. Today you finally hear it clearly. In your career, Monday brings a decisive professional moment that your diplomatic nature has been quietly preparing for all of last week. A decision gets made, a position gets taken, a direction gets chosen. And the clarity that follows this professional decision is going to feel like the weight of the world lifting from your shoulders. You have been carrying the burden of indecision for too long in this situation. Today it ends. And what begins in its place is momentum, direction, and a particular professional confidence that only comes from finally knowing exactly where you stand. Financially, Venus Monday brings positive movement to a financial matter that has been stuck in limbo. A conversation about money today produces results. A financial decision that has been pending gets resolved. Or simply a new and practical approach to your finances reveals itself today that makes everything feel more manageable and more possible than it did on Friday. Libra, your financial situation is better than your worry suggests. Today the numbers confirm it. In love, Libra, this Monday something in your romantic life requires you to be clearer than you usually allow yourself to be. About what you want, about how you feel, about where you stand. The diplomatic instinct to keep things comfortable and undefined has been costing you in ways that are becoming harder to ignore. Today, choose clarity over comfort. It will feel slightly terrifying and completely right simultaneously. If you are single, someone in your life is waiting for a signal from you. Today, give them one. Health this Monday asks you to bring the same balance you seek in all things to your physical life. Are you balancing rest and activity, input and output, giving and receiving energy? One of these pairs is out of alignment, and your body has been quietly signaling it for days. Today, notice which one and make one small adjustment. Libra's health thrives on equilibrium, and today the equilibrium that needs restoring is probably simpler to achieve than you think. Spiritual message for Libra on June 15th. Justice is one of your deepest values, and today the universe is asking you to apply it to yourself. Are you being fair to yourself, Libra? Are you giving yourself the same grace, the same benefit of the doubt, the same patient understanding that you give so freely to everyone else? Today, the most spiritual thing you can do is treat yourself with justice. Not judgment, not unrealistic expectation. Just fair, honest, compassionate recognition of who you are and how far you have come. You deserve that from yourself. Starting today, comment Libra below if Monday is already feeling different. And if you discovered this channel today, welcome. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily readings. All 12 signs every single day. See you tomorrow, Libra. This week belongs to you.